Hey, how's it going, everybody? It's a beautiful day here in Denver, Colorado. This is Mike at Dallas Trucks walking you through another vehicle. Today we've got a 2019 GMC Savana 3500. This is a 16-foot box truck with a ramp. It's got 93,791 miles, and we'll go ahead and get started with the tires over here. Plenty of life on those. It's a 177-inch wheelbase. Check out these rear dual tires. It's a GVWR of 12,300. We'll go ahead and check out the back here, get everything. Got a backup camera. That's your dome light. And then here's that ramp, which I'll attempt to do. Right on. We'll continue on with the passenger side. The vehicle's overall height is about 12 feet. If you'd like to check out some more measurements, be sure to check out the link to our website. I'll put that in the description. Let's check out the interior. It's in great condition. This vehicle has been detailed on the inside, the outside, and underneath the hood. All right, let's start her up. Lights on the dash. Here's your 93,791 miles. And your backup cam will be visible over here. All right. Let's check out that engine. It's equipped with a 6-liter Vortec flex fuel engine. Coupled with a 6-speed shiftable automatic transmission. All the filters and fluids are new. All right, and that'll wrap it up for today's 2019 GMC Savana 3500. If you'd like to find out more information about this vehicle, the link to our website will be in the description below, as well as our phone number. As always, thank you all very much for watching, and have a great one.